Okay, Vidya, now let's take one more sum. A certain sum is lent out at a certain rate of interest for a certain period. And simple interest is rupees 260. Again, the same sum is lent out 20% higher rate of interest for 25% smaller time period. Find the simple interest in second case. Now look, Vidya. In this question, we can see that principal is constant for both the cases. Number 2, simple interest in the first case is rupees 260. And number 3, in the second case, rate of interest is 20% higher and time period is 25% less. Now, let the rate of interest in first case be R and let time period be T. So, in second case, when R is increased by 20%, it will become 6 by 5 R. And when T is decreased by 25%, it will become 3 by 4 T. And you know, Vidya, simple interest is directly proportional to rate of interest as well as time period. So the proportional effect on simple interest will be 6 by 5 into 3 by 4. That is 9 by 10 or 90% of the previous. And we know that the simple interest in case 1 is rupees 260. So the simple interest in second case will be 260 into 9 by 10. That is rupees 234. And this is our required answer.
Okay, I got it. But as we have 2 percentage changes, so we can apply successive percentage change in this question, can't we?
Yes, Vidya, I was about to tell you this. You know, we calculate successive percentage change by using the formula R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 upon 100. And here we have R1 as 20% increase and R2 as 25% decrease, or R1 equal to 20 and R2 equal to minus 25. So the successive percentage change will be plus 20 minus 25 minus 20 into 25 upon 100, which is equal to minus 10%. Again, and you know 10% decrease means 90% of the previous interest. Or Vidya, we can say that doing these changes in rate and time will reduce the simple interest by 10%. And again, therefore the desired simple interest will be 260 into 1 minus 10 upon 100, that is 260 into 9 by 10, which is again rupees 234. Got it, Vidya?
Yes, I got it. I will remember these concepts of simple interest that you have taught me so well. Thank you.